I'm a Lance Armstrong fan. I'm a fan of the sport.
It's great to have trust in people, you know, and every guy has the trust in the guy in front of him, which is a special thing, you know. If one person messes up, then it messes up for everyone else. And it's very rarely that one person messes up when not training to do that over and over again.
My job in the HTC Columbia lead-out train is the last man for Mark Cavendish. I'm the last guy that tries to propel him to the stage victory.
I was hoping for just a few percent more in the legs, and I think that, you know, Dave or Mick just that fraction better than me all week.
Tony Martin of Germany, Michael Rogers of Australia, and David Zabriskie.